I will be showing you how you can make these homemade Tic Tacs. They do not look that stylish, but they still do look awesome. What you will need is paper, some tape, some glue. You can choose 2 crayons. I'm choosing 2 oil pastels because I want to. You will also need scissors, and before I forget, you will need some sandpaper, just like this type, so like it looks like a skate. All right, now that we have the materials, let's start. All right, so let's move all of this away. I'll try to clean it up because this is a mess, all right? So anyway, we will first fold our paper, hot dog style or hamburger, or I don't know. I'm forgetting. And do it again. And then finally one more time. You fold it 3 times basically. You fold the paper 3 times. All right? Now that we have it like this, we will grab our scissors and cut the edges. We cut the edges, cut the edge, and we cut the edge finally one more time. All right. Now we have basically little pieces of paper, like if they were cards. And we will glue them together to make it thick. So we are going to grab some glue and glue them all together.
We're going to put it in to make it into the shape of the Tic Tac.
All right, so you see how thick it is? That's good. All right, so now we will grab a pencil. I think I said that as one of the materials, but if I did not, you will grab a pencil or a marker or whatever you have, and we will draw the shape of a Tic Tac. All right, we have a paper and pencil, and let's start. Okay, so we will draw a little like U on the top. It doesn't matter the size. You can do it whatever size you want. I'm gonna do it fairly small.
Now draw a straight line. Alright? And then do a U again. And it's as simple as that. Now we will cut it. Be careful, you don't ruin it. Alright, so. Alright.
And all the extras, you could throw it away or you could use it for another Tic Tac. But anyway, we have a thick and good Tic Tac shape. Now, what I always do is to ensure that it doesn't come off, I will glue it again. That way it sticks perfectly and there's no hassle. Alright, so now that we have our little paper, we will now grab sandpaper, like this type of sandpaper, because first of all, it's the color of like the skateboard surface, and it feels like a skateboard surface because you know it ensures the grip. So what you will do is grab your piece of paper and put it over it like so, and then you will grab a marker or something that is visible, and basically you will outline it.
I don't do it fairly, I do it like this because I don't want to like put a little bit of black in this, you know, like damage it.
So we have our basic shape and then we'll cut it.
And then the excess, I will put this away.
And we have our Tic Tac surface, and then we will put it over the paper, and then we will flip the paper And the little outline, the little like axis, it will just cut it off. So now we have the basic shape of the surface, and we have the basic shape of a Tic-Tac. So now we'll grab a glue stick, and we will, this little part, the back part of the sandpaper, we will glue it to the paper.
Like this, okay? I don't think you saw that, but like this. And then we will glue the Tic-Tac right over it. Now basically,
We have our little tiny Tic-Tac, and you can leave it like this, like a surfboard, but that's not gonna work. So for the wheels, so let me first put the letter T for it, for test, like a test. So we will grab some tape, so a big piece of tape. We cut it, and now we will tape the wheels to the surfboard or the skateboard, the board, like this. Look, so you put tape right there, and you are going to do this, bam, bam, bam. Okay.
can you see this? Okay, so you have it right here. Now we will add another one. The same exact thing. You cut your piece of tape. You'll have it right here. You will do this. And finally, you will do this.
All right. And for it to like not fall, the crayons, because the tape might like break or something like that, we'll grab a huge piece of tape and cut a decent amount of it. A decent amount. Right here, we'll tape it and cut the excess tape like this. I know I'm using safety scissors, but those are the only those are the only scissors I can find right now. I am allowed to use other ones, but for the sake of this. So we got our skateboard. Now you can do some sick tricks. Now we're not done yet. You might want to leave it like this, or you will do the following. You are going to have to make a tail. So this is how you do it. You're gonna do this, all right? So so now you have it like this. So make it curvy, basically. Okay, so I have this, I have a drawer. So what you could do is put the Tic-Tac thing like this, backside. You will push it and let it like stay there, and like do it like that, and we'll leave it right there. Let it do its own thing. Leave it for there, and then do the same thing on this side. When you've done that, it will look like this. And to keep it like that, you will grab some clips and press it right here, and leave it right here. I'll leave it for maybe 5 minutes. All right? Leave it for 5 minutes and come back. And when you're done leaving it for 5 minutes, it should look like this. And that is how you make your own Tic-Tac. It's decent and it actually works. I have other ones over here. So I made these so far, including the one we just made. It's been 4 Tic-Tacs. So this was my first one, this was my second one, this was my third one, and this is the one I just made. There you go. That's how you make a Tic-Tac.